Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Kritika Z, and today we're having the most awaited video of my channel, which is my room tour. So without any delay, let's start the room tour. Guys, so this is how my hostel ka gate looks, and then from here we'll enter. So yeah, let's go inside. This is the goddess. We have to enter everything over here. This is the ground floor and the rooms over here. This is the notice board. यहाँ पे फालतू की चीज़ें ही रहती हैं. So yeah, guys, this is the common area on the ground floor, and it's very useful during exam times. So जब हम first floor पे आते हैं, so there is one more common area on the first floor, like this. This is usually completely filled by students जब exams चल रहे होते हैं, and it's a study वाला माहौल. So the ground floor वाला study area है, वो first floor. It's a nice vibe, to be honest. I really like it. And from first floor now we will go to second floor, जहाँ पे मेरा room है. Okay, so every floor has two wings, A wing and B wing. ठीक है, तो I am living in the A wing of second floor. Now that was ground floor. अभी जो आपको दिखाया मैंने. All the other floors are also very same. Okay, so the third floor is same as the second floor. इसलिए मैंने आप लोगों को वो नहीं दिखाया. Now fourth floor पे mess और laundry है. This is the laundry area, and वहाँ पे machines भी हैं in which we can wash our clothes, and then we put them here. Okay, so this is how the lobby looks. We have two set of stairs और दो lifts भी हैं. And this is my floor का view नीचे in the study area. And then okay, so यहाँ से we have two wings का separation. That side is the B wing, and this side is the A wing जहाँ पे मेरा room है. So we'll go in the A wing. And this is how both the wings usually look. So this is my room. So guys, this is how the room looks as we enter. So yes, this is my side of the room. Okay guys, so this is the cupboard area. ऊपर इन दैट ब्राउन बॉक्स हम लोग का बोन सेट रखा रहता है. दिस वन इज़ माई रूममेट्स कबर्ड एंड दिस वन इज़ माई कबर्ड. उसके ऊपर मेरा सामान रखा है. सो आई विल शो यू माई कबर्ड. इट्स वेरी अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड. ओके, सो बेयर विद इट. लाइक यहाँ पे आई पुट ऑल माई डेली वेयर के कुर्तीज एंड सूट्स एंड डेली यूज क्लोथ्स, एंड ओवर देयर आई हैव So guys, this is what the washroom looks like from inside. It's pretty decent, I feel. Over here I have my shoe rack. So इसमें बहुत सारे शूज़ रखे हुए हैं. It's full. Honestly, I don't understand कि मेरा shoe rack इतनी जल्दी कैसे full हो जाता है. But okay, anyways. So this was my cupboard. This is my roommate's cupboard. Now let's move forward. So next thing you see is my laundry basket and our mirror, which is a pretty nice mirror. I like the fact that we got a mirror in our room. So it's like, obviously girls need mirror, guys. Then when we enter the room, this is the two racks that are provided by the college, and then this is my side of the room. So basically I have my table, my guitar, and then my daily utility stuff kept here. That is my pankha, which is very important because I have a non-AC room. And then this is my roommate side, जहाँ पे window है. And okay, so the next thing we see is my pankha, which is because मेरे room में AC नहीं है. So yeah, so my room does not have an AC. So to combat with the heat, which is a lot over here, me and my roommate, we both have bought our pankhas. So yeah, this is my pankha and this is my bed. And वहाँ side में it's my study table, and see, this is how I've decorated it. Little bit of butterflies and some of my pictures, some of my favorite moments before coming to college. Those pictures I have put here. And then we come to the side. So this is the rack जो हमें college ने provide किया था, and my table. In the rack, basically I've put decorations in the ऊपर वाला खन, and then in the center I have put all my daily needs like food items, cups, mugs, medicines, etc. And then here is my puja area, like my Bhagwanji's and my family photo. Then we come to my table. So there's a story behind these posters. It was taken like my... So yeah, my friend ordered these posters अपने लिए, and then उसके लिए extra पड़ रहे थे. So I got these 3 posters and put them here. And then यहाँ पे usually on the table there is my iPad, my laptop, and my bottles and these things. So this is a light which if you have seen my previous video you would have seen कि ये मुझे मेरे birthday पे मेरे 2 friends ने gift दी थी. And this Dr. Kritika was given to me by my sister on my birthday. And then my pen stand and then my lamp. So yeah, that's my table. Then table का drawer is mostly empty with or फिर I don't have much of the stuff over here. It's like extra stationery, remotes, and then my sunglasses and some chargers. So yeah, that was my side of the room. And now coming to my roommate's side, she also has the same things. It's like, yeah, because college provides the same thing to everyone. Yeah, this is her rack, and then her drawers ka set, and then Avni's table, and these are her photos. And then we have this big window over here, जो मैं आपको अभी दिखाती हूँ. So this is what the view is from our window. Basically वो and this is our Wi-Fi router. Seriously guys, ये एरिया इतना अच्छा लगता है when it rains because the weather, it's so beautiful when it rains. And guys, this is how my side of the room looks at night. So मैंने ये string lights लगाई हुई हैं which makes the room's vibe really nice and cozy. And yes, this is like really pretty thing. Okay guys, so now I'm going to answer a few of your questions that you guys sent in my DMs. So let's start that. Okay, so first question is, how is hostel life? So guys, hostel life is very chill. It's really nice, and there are all kinds of people here with different cultures, and it's nice to interact with them. And if you guys have a nice roommate, hostel life will be very fun for you, trust me on that. Next, one of the main questions that I was getting was, how is the mess food? So guys, mess का खाना is खाने लायक. It's eatable. It is not very bad. कभी कभी these people make अच्छा खाना also. Sometimes it's bad, but mostly it's fine. Like तुम लोग खा सकते हो. It's not very bad. And overall, it's okay-ish, I guess. So one question was that, are we allowed to keep kettle, hair dryers, other electronics with us in the hostel? So the thing is, तुम लोग को kettle, hair dryer, iron, all that is allowed. It's not restricted. But then there are voltage issues. तो अगर तुम्हारी वजह से voltage trip हुआ, then that might cause a problem. Otherwise, so you guys can keep. There's no problem as such इसमें. Okay, so next is, what are the hostel timings? So hostel timings will vary for girls and boys. but initial 3 months for both girls and boys you will not be allowed to go out of the hostel. और अगर तुम लोग को बाहर जाना भी है तो you have to ask your parents to send a mail to the warden which will get approved. Only then you can leave the hostel. Otherwise तुम लोग hostel से बाहर नहीं जा सकते. So yeah, first 3 months is a restriction period. तो and after 3 months you guys will be allowed to be outside till like 8:30 रात में, and then after that you will have to come back. This is for girls. For boys it is around 9 p.m. तक का time. But yeah, these are the hostel timings. You will have to obey to these timings वरना parents के पास call चला जाता है. Also after like 6 months of time तुम लोग you guys can stay in library till 11 p.m. because हमारे library is open till 11 p.m. तो if you are staying outside of hostel after 8:30 you guys can stay in the library but you cannot go like outside. The next question is there a dress code for the college? Is there any uniform in the hostels and college? So guys, no, there is no uniform as such in the college. But yes, you will have to wear Indian formal attire, that is kurti or suit, anything for girls, and for boys shirts and jeans, like not jeans, pants. Jeans are not allowed, even for girls, even for boys. And in hostels and outside college you guys can wear anything. There is no restrictions for that. Okay, so the next most important question is what is the hostel fees and mess charges? So I know it's a very important question because this fees can make or break your budget. And let me tell you कि हमारे college में there is only double seater rooms. So and we have AC and non-AC both options. So I'll tell you the fees for that. So basically the hostel fees is same for both girls and boys, and the fees is for a double AC room it is 2,02,000 per year plus electricity charges. This includes the hostel fees and the mess fees both. And for single room it is around 1,22,000. That is for non-AC room. Okay, so I know the fees is little bit on the higher side, but if you guys can manage without a AC room, the non-AC rooms you can take, and that costs you 1,22,000, which is fair enough, I feel. The next question was, are festivals celebrated in the college? So college as such celebrate नहीं होते हैं, but if the students want to celebrate something they can do that. There is no restriction on that. And if you can, like last year when we were here on Diwali we didn't go home, so we celebrated Diwali in the hostel itself, and I have uploaded a vlog for that. You guys go and watch it out in the I button. And yes, but like overall festivals and all are celebrated, but students may, there is no college involved in that. Next is there a language barrier in the hostel? So guys, no, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. लैंग्वेज बैरियर हॉस्टल में नहीं होता है. You will find every kind of people here. People who speak Hindi, English, Malayalam, Kannada, all kind of people are there. But everyone speaks English also. So if you don't know any other language, you must be knowing English. You can manage आराम से उसमें. So there is no language barrier. उसके बारे में you can be tension free. Now the next question is hostels and college का connectivity कैसा है to the airport? So the airport from the college is around half an hour, 40 minutes away. So the connectivity is good, and you guys can find auto and cabs very easily near the campus, and you guys can take that for the airport. And it's a reasonable price, it's not very expensive also. So one of the few questions I was getting was that hostel में ragging भी होती है क्या? So let me tell you, and you guys have to trust me on this. हॉस्टल्स में रैगिंग एज सच नहीं होती है बिकॉज आवर कॉलेज इज़ वेरी 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 अगेंस्ट रैगिंग. सो रैगिंग इज़ नॉट दैट, सो यू गैस कैन बी टेंशन फ्री अबाउट दैट बिकॉज आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. जब मैं आई थी आई ऑल्सो हैड दीज क्वेश्चंस कि रैगिंग तो नहीं होगी एंड ऑल दैट. So trust me, there's no ragging as such. So yes, that was it for this video. And if you guys want any other video like what are the documents required during admission, or if you have any other kind of doubts, like if you want another review or a college tour, just tell me it in the comment section below and I'll try to make that video for you guys. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please keep watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.